but I'm just being honest with all my products. I like to be honest, and I just like everyone to know that I don't do like, oh my god, I really like this product, blah blah blah. I only like likes. I just tell the likes. I also do dislikes, because there are just products that I don't really like, and I just wanna tell my opinion to you guys without being no filter and just being honest with you. So this is it. Hello everyone! Hi! What's up? What's up? What's up? It's Shannen again. Today I'm shooting and it's Chinese New Year, so Gong Xi Fa Cai, Gong Hei Fa Choi, Xinian Kuai Le, and for that, I would just like to greet to everyone, even the singles and those couples, a happy belated Valentine's Day, happy Single Awareness Day, Single Appreciation Day, any day. You are loved to all the singles out there. You are loved to all the couples. Be in love. Stay in love. I'm happy for all of you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys had a wonderful Valentine's Day. And I hope you guys out there for Chinese New Year, may all the luck and the blessings come forth for you. I'm the year of the dog, and I'm so excited because this year is the year of the dog and I need all the luck. But anyway, this isn't really about Chinese New Year or Valentine's Day because that's done. Today's video is my very second Empties video, and I'm so excited because I finally finished some of these products, and I'm going to share to you each product and talk about my likes and my dislikes for each product. My cheat sheet here, I wrote all my likes and dislikes for every product. So please excuse me if I look down because my cheat sheet is here. So let's get started. Yes? Okay. So, the first product that I want to share to you, which I've been featuring in my previous product, and I've finally finished it. I'm kind of sad that I finished it already. It's the J.ONE Hana Cream. There. This is the J.ONE Hana Cream. Boom. My likes for this product is, number one, it smells really good. The smell isn't strong, and it isn't like, the smell isn't strong. It's very calming. Parang like, I feel very, like, it smells like baby skin. I don't know, it just reminds me of baby skin or Johnson & Johnson's baby lotion. Because I really like Johnson & Johnson's baby lotion. So it smells like that and it's really good. Second, the packaging is very convenient because they packaged the cream into ball-shaped form. So it's not the usual packaging of cream. They formed it into balls, so it's much more convenient for us to pick it up and just slap it on your face. So I like that. And the third is how I feel about this moisturizer is it really leaves my skin soft and smooth, like baby skin, you guys. Like, I use this as a night moisturizer. I usually use this as a night moisturizer because I love the feeling the next day when I wake up. My skin still feels super smooth and soft, like soft, no joke, you guys, like hydrating, soft, and I feel like baby skin. So I love the feeling of this moisturizer. But my dislikes for this is just one. It's kind of pricey and expensive for those who are on a budget. And I think there are other dupes to this that's equivalent to this moisturizer. It's quite expensive. It's like $50 to $55. So yeah, that's just the downside of it. It's quite expensive. But this is a really good product for you guys to try once you wanna check it out. So, J.ONE Hana Cream. Next, we have the Benton Cacao Moist and Mild Cream. So yeah, this is the Benton Cacao Moist and Mild Cream. first is my likes for this product is Benton is known for producing organic and natural products, so it's really refreshing for me and sort of a relief because I like products that are natural and organic and cruelty free, and it makes my skin, I feel comfortable putting on ingredients putting on products on my skin if they come from something that's organic and cruelty free. So I like that about Benton. Second, this is a cream, but the consistency and the texture of it is very thin for a cream, and I like the fact that it's not as thick as other products and it absorbs quickly, and I like it. I like the fact that it's thin enough and not thin enough for a cream, and it absorbs quickly. But my dislikes, now to my dislikes, is I was quite disappointed when I put it on my skin because it wasn't as moisturizing as I would have expected it to be. Cacao is known for I didn't really feel like my skin was very moisturized enough, or I didn't feel like my skin was as smooth as it said it would be. It kind of dried up, and it dried up easily. I felt like my skin wasn't super moisturized with this product. So that's just my disappointment about this product, is it didn't serve the promise of giving my skin super moisturized feeling. So yeah. PYUNKANG Essence Toner. Here, PYUNKANG Essence Toner. I finally finished this. So my likes for this product is, first, it acts, like I've always said this in my previous videos, it acts both as a toner and essence, hence it's called Essence Toner. So it's like a 2-in-1 product and makes you get a cheaper and really good deal because they're both essence and toner. Next is, it really is a hydrating and moisturizing toner and essence, and it's really good for your 7-layer method because it's quite thick. It's not the usual toner that's kind of watery and flowy. It's quite thick, so it really has the property of an essence, so you can really dab it on your skin 7 times, like the 7 layering method. And PYUNKANG is known for producing chemical-free ingredients, and really these ingredients, they don't have a lot of ingredients in it, so it's really refreshing again and a relief and comfortable feeling that you're putting on a product that doesn't have a lot of things going on, and it's just really minimal and safe and refreshing. Like I said, relief. Anyway, so yeah, that's PYUNKANG. The dislikes I have about this product is just one. Because it's kind of thick, it just doesn't absorb quickly into my skin. It doesn't dry up, and not dry up, but it just doesn't absorb quickly as I expected. So I have to wait for a while and like fan it out para lang ma-absorb into my skin. So that's just the downside of this toner, but overall it's a really good product, and it's cheap. It's cheap for a toner. It's, I think, at $20 or less. So yeah. A sunscreen product, and it's the BIORE UV Aqua Rich Whitening Essence. Can you see? Oh, here. I love, first like is it's small and it's in a convenient packaging, so I can bring this around and use it every 2 hours when I go out or go for work. So very good, and I don't feel sticky, I don't feel greasy when I put on makeup over it, and it has the property of, like, it has whitening, so sometimes I kind of just wanna make my skin lighter, so I like the fact that it's a sunscreen plus a whitening kind of product. Now, the dislikes on this product is just, it's not expensive, but it's kind of pricey for a product that's just this. It's quite small. It's at 450 to 500 pesos, so it doesn't even really last. For me, it doesn't last like half of the year. So yeah, but it's a good drugstore product, you guys. I'm not kidding. This is a good drugstore sun protection. If you want to look for a drugstore product, you can use this. From Origins, it's a Plantscription Anti-Aging Power Serum. Origins Plantscription. My likes. This one, I had a hard time trying to think about my likes on this. Maybe, well, Origins is known for using organic or natural products, so that's a factor that I like. Like I said, I like organic and natural ingredients being used for a product, so that's a like. But I had to go right away to my dislikes because, first of all, it's expensive. This one is such an expensive product and it doesn't really deliver. I don't know, for me, I didn't feel any results. I didn't feel any difference when I put it on. Well, maybe I felt like my skin kinda was smooth and baby skin at one point. But overall, my dislikes is quite expensive and doesn't really deliver what I what I expected it to deliver. And I just don't feel like there was power in this serum. So that's a disappointment. I didn't feel and see much results from this product, so the fact that it's this expensive and then I didn't see any results, parang what a waste of my time. And I just don't really like this product. I'm so sorry. I just feel like it lacks it. There are better serums at an even cheaper price that you can feel like your skin leaves so much better results. So yeah, this is just a disappointment for me, and it's quite expensive. It's like $50 or $40, and I'm like, and look at the packaging. I mean, like the wordings are like gone. And I didn't even do much. At least make the packaging look good. Sorry, I'm really sorry. Last product is, well, I've been featuring this, and I already got my second bottle, or what you call that, container. This is the All Clean Balm, HEIMISH All Clean Balm. Y'all know I love my HEIMISH. I love my HEIMISH All Clean Balm. And this is the first packaging that they did. So, I had this last year, and this is the first packaging that they did before the much more convenient packaging. So, my likes is, like I said, this is my favorite oil cleanser. Really, really melts away the makeup on your skin. This is my trustworthy oil makeup remover, so I love this. It's very gentle. That's my likes. It's very gentle and it doesn't sting my eyes, and I feel like after I clean out using this cleanser, I just feel so much cleaner. Like I feel like my skin was like all the impurities went away, and then after I do it's really a really good part of your double cleansing routine. Now, my dislikes in this product is, well, during the time when I used this, the packaging was just like a struggle for me. Like the suction and all just was like a BS. But I really like the current way packaging that they modified. So good job, HEIMISH. Really good job. Okay, so I'm done with all my Empties products. I have 6. I think I have 6 Empties that I showed, and I hope you guys enjoyed my sharing of my favorite empties, and I'll be talking about likes and dislikes more often. So I hope you guys really not naman enjoyed, but I hope you guys learned or got info on what I talked about in this video. So if you want to know some of the products, link down below, and don't forget to subscribe and just have a blast. Salamat everyone. Paalam! 같은 오는 기억 기다린 네가 있다면 주면 충분해. 사랑을 했던 우리가 만나 지우지